Here today we are presenting our automotive microcontroller Ethernet gateway board. This gateway board basically is the main channel or the main brain of a car in terms of connectivity across the units. This gateway board has two AURIX second generation microcontrollers. These microcontrollers are talking to each other with high-speed serial link. This is one of the fastest connectivity around 300 megahertz, and you have multiple protocols that you can communicate to the rest of the ECUs in the car. You have LIN, CAN, X-ray, and also you have Ethernet via the Ethernet switch. These two red devices here, or boards here, are basically examples of ECUs. These two ECUs are communicating to the Ethernet, and you can have multiple more. The idea is basically show that you can communicate via Ethernet, 100 megabit Ethernet, to the ECUs. On the demonstrator, we are trying to communicate and show that we can use HSL. One of the AURIX is a master, and the second one is a slave. And this again can boost the performance of the application, and it shows because you have communication in multiple ways, up to 5 ports of Ethernet. Second thing, with this demonstrator here, we are showing that in communication, there's always multiple channels or multiple devices talking. Whenever these devices are talking, sometimes there's a fast in, fast out kind of queuing. Whenever you have this, some messages or packets of messages are lost. And how we can show this with our demonstrator is that we are tracking the messages which are being lost. And with intelligent software by an OEM or the customer, you can analyze these lost packets and see whether you either need to act on them, discard them, so that you free up space. Another thing we can do is that these ECU boards, the red ECU boards I was showing earlier on, they always have a synchronized time. So the synchronized time across this ECU is very important because you want to make sure that all the ECUs or all the boards in the car have the same time zone, because if you have any lag, you'll create an error in terms of communication, receive, and sending. So we use the Ethernet switch to be able to manage the PTP time of the whole system. For more information, you can go to our website, infineon.com/microcontroller, to read more about the AURIX, as well as read more about what's coming new in terms of boards and kits to you.